All right. Dale Sager Trader Boys. I wanted to get just through a quick video here and kind of give you some highlights of the day. So I'm going to take you right into the trading room, Trade with the Pros trading room of the Trader Boys here. 69 bucks a month, but check this out. This is what was put out there to the trading room first thing this morning. So you can see here, like 8:41 this morning, right? It's where the actions happen, where it's taking place. And this is what I posted. So this is a supply level. Right? So this is a skill set that we teach and educate at the Trader Boys here. This is supply. It's also a huge support resistance area. So standard traditional technical analysis come into play here. So right here, 3422 is looking for the top of the market in the S&P futures. So that was put out there this morning. Right. Then we jump over and we look at the Russell 2000 here. Coming up into a supply area. Now this one here just exploded through. So that would have been a losing trade if you took that one. Now the NASDAQ right here. So this is the still the 4 hour right there, but we're looking for the upper area of supply up top here at 1630 on the Russell. So if this one was to break through, we're looking for this area. And this is like I said, the higher probability supply zone up top there. And coming in, you've also got on the NQ. Right, NQ 11486. Right, so they keep saying in the market, and you hear this all the time. They say it in the books, and all these people that don't have a freaking clue in the market say you can't pick tops and bottoms. That is absolute bullshit. Absolute bullshit. Right, watch this. So on the NQ right here, that's the 30-minute. We tagged this and got a massive drop away on that. Massive drop away. So huge transaction there. Right, this is on JPM. So this is Tim's trade on JP Morgan, looking for the short. So this was posted 9:17 this morning, way up there. We came right up. We opened up in this level here, right? Opened up in this level. And when the S&P hit that top of the markets, right, this is where we said the market was going to fall. And this came down, target one, target two, all hit. So take it through now. As the day went on, so this is the post I put out this morning, third day of money flow into small caps with the rising VIX. This is a problem. This is a huge problem for the continuation of the upward move in the market. Now, the market was really, really strong, right? And then we had a news event come out from Trump, and we hit the supply level. And it's just amazing how it happens at the same time. We see this all the damn time, right? Things happen for a reason and on purpose. It's not generally news driven, right? So institutions are continuing to hedge portfolios, right? Now, has Powell speaking here this morning. There's the charts I just took you through, right? Now, as we come down here, there's Tim posts his trade, okay? And we look at a couple breakout trades here on small time frames for day trading setups. Right now, right here, SQQQ. This is the S&P. When the S&P goes down, sorry, the NASDAQ. When the NASDAQ goes down in value, the SQQ, the exchange traded fund, goes up in value. So this is pretty much is posted as a hedge, meaning if the market is to hit supply and break to the downside, right, then you want to have something in your portfolio that starts to make money as your positions that you're trading in the upward direction hit stop losses and either get out for a loss or a profit, right? So SQQ, now this is at 11 o'clock this morning, 10:57 this morning. I'm posting SQQ is a cheap hedge, is a great way to hedge, right? So do we need this today? Absolutely. This is where you need the guidance of a professional live in the markets. Right? How many of you out there right now are having a hard time in these markets? Right? You're getting in trades, you're getting stopped out. Right? If you have stop losses at all, because most retail investors don't, you need this guidance of a professional to guide you through these markets. I can remember back in the day, this was me. I needed for me, what changed me for me was a mentor. A mentor changed it for me. Right? So that's what turned my trading around. Now, this is what the trading room can do for you. Okay. So right here, look to hedge. Okay. Now everything is strong in the markets at this point. Look to hedge. Right. Now we had this. We came down. This is big tech. So we got Apple. Right. This one here is Amazon and so on. Looking at demand levels down through here. And these demand levels did reverse the markets and they pushed it right up into the highs. Right. So these were all trading opportunities that you could have executed knowing in advance where the turning points were going to be. Right? This was huge. So big profitable trades that could come from that one right there. So that was huge in the trading room today. Right. And now we get down to here, right? Looking at, this is a great post from Tim right here. Looking at a head and shoulders formation. So this is traditional technical analysis on a candlestick formation, charting formation. we break below this blue line here, and we can have a nice run all the way down to this next demand level. And we can buy that demand level and write it right back up. So a huge opportunity here. And the market did not break that yet. Didn't break that today. Right now, look at this. Tim's trade on JP Morgan hit T1, close to T2. Okay. Here's the thread on Tim's transaction over here. This is the trade of the day. Excellent. Just really, really well executed. Right. Here's his post. Short entry met, stop 101.25, target 199.06. T1 hit, stop to 101. Okay, so now his stop loss is below his entry point. So he's got a risk-free trade now. Right? T 6 cents, moving stop to break even on the remainder. So he's still got some on. He's still got a small position to trade on to look for larger profits. Right? I just wanted to put this out there so you guys can get the overview to see what we can do in the markets with a very skilled education, surrounded by phenomenal traders that gives you the availability to know what's going to happen next in the market. Be prepared, be ready for it. We've got some phenomenal transactions happening today, some really good money made. Not only that, we managed the risk on our portfolios by knowing in advance what was going to happen and how it was going to happen. How many of you can call the top of a bottom of the market in advance? How many of you can post that publicly? That's my challenge to you. Right? How many of you can post publicly where the top and bottom of the market is going to be in advance? If you can do that, you don't need my services. If you cannot do that, you need to go to thetraderboys.com or click the link in the bio, right? Or on Facebook, or subscribe to YouTube to the Trader Boys YouTube channel, right? And get surrounded by this content and information. We're going to be coming out with courses very, very soon at a very low monthly cost subscription that are going to be absolutely phenomenal to educate you in detail how to exactly do what I'm just showing you right now. Dale Sargo, Trader Boys, have a phenomenal trading day. Have a phenomenal rest of the day, and we will talk to you soon.